afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Middle Tennessee State University in Murfreesboro,
Screen
Tennessee.
door crack, the ball game on. Man on the porch singing baritone. Tan line leads to that gentle place between a collarbone and a stone cold fate. Wet, hot American nights, shaking body dry on a coastline.
The Blue Raiders have secured the 5-peat for the first time in CUSA history.
To the shore and drank a bottle bone dry. He snuck our forwards to the shore and drank a bottle bone dry. Davey got back from his first tour. He ain't the same boy that he was before. 20's too young to nearly die. American boys are a friend of mine.
Just about set for basketball tonight here from the Murphy Center. It's Middle Tennessee.
Out at the Rivers Casino. He got caught counting cards and them spades broke his heart. Then the Point Breeze boys broke his nose. But Mary got that job that she wanted out of town. She was better than the sum of all of us.
Live from the Murphy Center on the campus of Middle Tennessee State University. This is Lady Raider
She's tougher
basketball.
than my brother with the ball left hand.
Tennessee Blue Raider baseball.
Wet, hot American night, shake your body off on a coastline. Wet, hot American night. We snuck our forks to the shore and drank a bottle bone dry. We snuck our forks to the shore and drank a bottle bone dry. Crack with the ball game on. Man on the porch singing baritone. Tan line leads to that gentle place between a collarbone and a stone cold face.